Neutralization reaction. It is one of the very important chemical property of acids and bases. The chemical reaction which take place between an acid and base is called neutralization reaction. Why it is called neutralization reaction? During the reaction, properties of acidic nature's reactant are destroyed by the basic nature substance. At the same time, properties of base are neutralized or destroyed by the acid. That's why this reaction is called neutralization reaction. When the reaction completed between these two, the products so formed are salt and water. Some amount of heat energy is also evolved. That's why this reaction is also known as an exothermic reaction. Clear, children? Now we will discuss this reaction with some example. See this. Here these are the two reactants, that is hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, which is a base. In a beaker, initially some volume of hydrochloric acid is taken. To that, slowly sodium hydroxide, which is basic in nature, is added. Within second, the reaction complete. Okay, so how can we conclude the completion of chemical change? Initially, if it touches the beaker, it will be cool, means it will be at the room temperature. Once these two reactants are mixed up in the beaker, if you touch the beaker, it will be little bit warm. The hardness of the beaker make us to determine the completion of reaction between the acids and base. Okay, so here during the reaction, one more thing you need to remember. Hydrochloric acid contains the HCl molecules, which is a combination of H plus and Cl minus ions. During this reaction, this HCl molecule splits into H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Okay, in the same way, the second reactant, sodium hydroxide, its molecule splits into Na plus and OH minus. During the chemical chain, this Na plus combines with Cl minus. Unlike charges attract each other, results to form one of the product, sodium chloride. And H plus of HCl combines with OH minus of NaOH, results to form water. This is the chemical reaction, namely neutralization. Very important reaction.